Fusion 360's fully integrated manufacturing workspace connects design and engineering to your manufacturing process. Stay connected to your data with a cloud-enabled infrastructure that's accessible on a Mac, mobile, and PC. Cloud libraries for your post-processors, tools, and templates mean you always have what you need to get the job done. Consistency across operations, from 2D milling to simultaneous 5-axis, makes using Fusion 360 easy to learn and remember. But the manufacturing capabilities don't stop there. Fusion 360 also includes operations for 2D turning, work coordinate system probing, 3+2 and 4-axis milling, and 2D profiling. The modern 64-bit multi-core engine means toolpaths calculate quickly, so you can spend time where it counts. Advanced tools like rest machining, expressions, patterns, user-defined defaults, and an unlimited number of custom templates will take your manufacturing productivity to the next level. No matter what kind of operation you need, Fusion 360 includes a powerful stock simulation for verification and an extensive library of free and fully customizable post-processors to fit your needs. Fusion 360 is the complete design and manufacturing solution that gives you the capability to make anything.